Every journey begins at the source, where nature sets the pace.
Here, precision farming meets daily discipline.
Skilled hands maintain calm, order, and consistency.
Modern dairies rely on hygiene and timing.
Cleanliness protects both animal and product.
Fresh milk begins its controlled journey. Every drop moves through sealed pathways. Temperature control preserves freshness. Quality checks start at the farm.
Volume and control define scale.
The next phase begins with motion. Farm and factory connect here.
Transport demands strict control.
Traceability is never optional.
A raw ingredient leaves its origin. Time now matters. From field to facility, the chain continues.
The journey has only begun.
Distance is measured in minutes when freshness is critical.
Processing begins long before arrival. Control points guard every transfer.
Verification ensures accountability.
The factory breathes before processing starts.
Design anticipates precision. Positioning eliminates error.
Safety locks every movement.
Clean paths protect quality. Raw milk crosses the threshold. Data confirms integrity. Every liter is accounted for. Transport hands over responsibility.
Every container is engineered to protect its cargo.
Transfer begins only after checks.
Every liter is accounted for. Scale defines modern food production. Standards are displayed before products are made. The human element remains constant. Clean entry protects every process.
Contamination control starts at the door.
This is the artery of production.
Every action is observed. Storage stabilizes supply. Routing determines efficiency.
Movement is controlled, never rushed.
Production builds layer by layer.
Here, raw becomes refined. Separation begins transformation. Precision is digitally enforced. Consistency is visible. Flow never stops.
Timing is synchronized.
Preparation leads to purification.
Before transformation, purity is enforced.
Invisible impurities are removed here.
Only the clean stream moves ahead.
Filtration tightens control. Clarity confirms success. Flow is stabilized before heat. Numbers guide every decision.
Human judgment reinforces automation.
Temperature prepares structure.
Heat changes behavior, not composition. Energy is carefully applied. Control prevents damage. Nothing interrupts the chain. Components are divided with precision. Only what's needed moves on. The foundation of milk powder is set.
Hygiene is always prepared.
Now, concentration begins.
This is where volume begins to shrink.
Milk prepares for concentration.
Lower pressure protects nutrients.
Water begins to separate. Nothing is wasted. Density increases with control.
Every variable is watched.
Heat is balanced, not forced.
A liquid becomes concentrate.
Stability before transformation.
Exact numbers decide the next step.
The thickened base moves on. Upward leads to change.
This chamber defines milk powder.
Liquid prepares to become solid. Everything is aligned.
Transformation begins now.
Heat and air reshape matter.
Uniformity is engineered at the smallest scale.
Liquid becomes solid in seconds.
Gravity completes the process. Gravity completes the process.
Air and solids part ways.
Separation without contact.
The product takes form. Moisture control continues. Stability ensures shelf life.
Heat gives way to balance. Texture is intentionally shaped.
Consistency defines quality.
The product moves ahead.
Clean air protects purity. Flow remains uninterrupted.
Experience confirms data.
Now, machines take the lead. Automation refines perfection. Automation brings consistency at scale.
Every granule is observed.
Corrections happen instantly. Safety checks never pause.
Precision controls flow.
Decisions travel at digital speed.
Human oversight guides machines.
Records ensure trust.
Systems react before humans notice.
Production moves upward again.
Timing defines efficiency.
Harmony replaces randomness. Output is carefully divided.
Reliability is engineered.
Automation still answers to people.
Final refinement begins. Technology prepares the final form.
This stage defines consistency.
Uniformity is filtered into existence.
Nothing is left unchecked.
Precision is measurable.
Balance is engineered.
Nutrition is accurately added.
Shelf life is protected.
Temperature settles structure.
Flow remains free. Human eyes confirm perfection. Accuracy prepares the count. Every batch must match.
Order replaces chaos.
The product nears completion. Cleanliness remains absolute.
The last pause before release. Quality demands proof. Quality is proven, not assumed. Every test begins with traceability.
Water content defines stability. Nutrition must match the claim.
Composition is verified scientifically.
Safety goes beyond visibility.
Time reveals hidden risks.
Evidence replaces assumption.
Only approved product moves forward.
Standards allow no compromise.
Proof is preserved.
Quality clears the path.
Science safeguards scale.
Now, the product meets the world.
Uniformity is mathematically confirmed.
Performance matters at home.
Human senses still count.
Precision meets protection.
Every gram counts. Accuracy never sleeps.
Protection locks freshness inside.
Traceability is embedded. Organization prepares transport.
Integrity is verified.
Protection travels with the product. Efficiency meets consistency.
Storage ensures availability.
Inventory waits for dispatch.
Distribution begins.
Every pallet reaches its destination safely.
And this is how modern factories produce milk powder from start to finish.
Scale, precision, and care define every step. Efficiency meets quality at every corner. From raw milk to finished powder, the journey completes.
Prepared for delivery to the world. Every operation is part of a larger story.
Thank you for witnessing the complete journey.